Hey guys, so I wanted to make a quick video on scalping with Mr. Z's indicators Bitcoin on the 1 minute time frame. This can work on other markets as well, but I know Bitcoin's pretty popular, so let's do it. Basically, very simple. We have our trend stability set up here. Let's go over the settings. Long term 2.7. Oscillator trend length 20. Trend strength line 100. Color transition 2. Scalping trend length 100. And show bar color. We're not using like the scalping oscillators, so even though you change it to 100, it's not going to do anything, but play around with it if you want to play around with the scalping oscillator. But these are the settings again. Okay, and then the trend oscillator is default. The only thing that I do is turn off. We're not using that bar color, so that doesn't need to be on. Where is it? Go into style. There we go. We turn off the signal line. Now, this is optional. You don't have to. You can see how I have it set up. I have this trend stability pulled down. All right, but what you can do is you can take the middle bar off, okay, and just take this, move it to existing pane, and now you have the trend oscillator and trend stability together. And basically, when the line is red, you're looking to short when you see green. So you short on the greens, all right? Whenever this line is red, you short the greens, okay? The candle color, again, this candle coloring is derived from the trend stability. So I'm going to go ahead and move it back. And I'm just going to bring it down to the bottom. Don't need to really see it other than, if you want to take a peek at the color line, it's right there for you. But yeah, let's do this trade idea. Please take this idea and back test it. But this will help you sell the highs and buy the lows. So we have green on the trend oscillator. We have red on the candle coloring. So you want to make sure that when you enter with the candle being red. If you see the candle's white, just wait for it to be red. All right, don't enter on any of those whitish bluish candles. Only enter the shorts on the red candles or the longs on the green candles. All right, so we can see this trade right here. All right, we do another one. This time we have the candle coloring is green and we have red. So you see it takes a dip before going up, so we can say this is a loss. And then this one is a win. And again, this is just a simple idea. It'd be very good if you add support and resistance to your trading. Here's one right here for a win. Okay. We don't have any trades yet. You are going to miss trades, right? We don't get to take advantage of that trade. It doesn't fit the rule. That's okay. I'm not going to take these. These are not red, but you can see how it's a small little pullback, but not part of what we're doing right now. All right, here we go. We can see that the candle color has changed red. You can look down here and see the line is red, and here's our big green. So we can go ahead and enter our short here, and make sure you take it on red candles. Don't take it on blue. All right, so I guess this one's a winner. Let me go back and make sure that I mark the short as a, let me see. Yeah, I marked the winners as red. That's funny. Okay, let's fix that. Apologize, guys. All right. All right, there we go. Let's do some more. Again, I promise to keep the video short. So again, the line's red, which is why the candles are red. So if you need to take a peek, you know, to have confluence there, that's fine, but they're showing you the same thing. Big green, go ahead and take the trade. We got a nice win there. And now here is another one as well. Let's do some more. Did I miss one? Here's one where this is red and we have green. It could be a small win or a loss. If you want me to, I can paint that white. So since we're undecided, we don't know about someone's risk to reward, we can just say that. This one's definitely, again, another small win or a small loss. So we can just paint that white as well. Apologize for the cough. Still working on getting rid of that. I did buy a mic. I just need to get it tested out. I wasn't sure how to use it, but it's got a nice mute button on it, so I'll be using that moving forward to help fix that issue. And then this one's a red trade as well. We would lose that one. Okay, here's it. Definitely off the top. You know, when market goes down, it tends to go down pretty fast, and it seems like so far these trades work really well on shorts. All right, here is a long. And it just makes a small move up before making, what am I doing? Here we go. So that's a win. There we go. And then here's a win right here. All right, well, you guys get the idea. So I'll leave you to it. Here's another one. All right, so please backtest this idea, this trading idea. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Again, it's just a simple idea of how to, especially if you're new, it's really just geared towards newer traders, making sure that you are trading the trend, getting in on a high, and selling the highs, and then getting in on the trend and buying the lows. And this indicator setup from Mr. Z, Zeiyerman Trading, will have you do that. Will definitely help you do that. So again, with anything you do, with proper risk management, having a good risk profile, personal risk profile that's personal to you, you can be a successful trader. There's tons of ways to enter the market. This is just one of many trading ideas, right? At the end of the day, what's going to separate you from all of the other traders out there is having a very, very good risk management plan and making sure that you have losing in the plans. All right, we're not going to win every trade. We need to plan our losers. We need to make sure we focus in on our risk. And if you do that, you'll be good to go. So I hope you enjoy this trading idea. Please leave in the comments your thoughts. Let me know how the back testing goes, and we'll talk soon. Take care. Bye-bye.